Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In every time zone that you are, learning never stops. And today we are here for the first video of this session. We're going to explore more about Atlassian, how we can create an account on Atlassian, how we can activate different products on Atlassian, and keep this learning curve going up because learning Atlassian is impossible alone, but it's possible together. So we are on the Atlassian homepage, that is atlassian.com. Once we're on the website, this is the page that you will see. We can click on sign in and it will provide us options to sign in to. We can use our Google ID, we can also use our Microsoft or our iCloud ID to log in. So I will quickly tap on Google and pick up one Google account. Now this will lead us to this place. This is a start page of Atlassian that includes all of the products that Atlassian has. We currently see Jira Work Management, Jira Service Management, Jira Software, and there are few more tools such as Confluence and Atlas. So the first video we're going to explore more about Jira Service Management, what it is, how Jira Service Management works. Now before this, it asks to create a website. So we have a website created by the name of employeeseducationschool.atlassian.net. So this is on cloud. So you can access this website from any place. You can access it from any browser. You can also access it from your mobile phone. Now, all of the things that you see on the screen, I will be able to define all of these right now. If you click on the left panel, you will be able to see all of the Atlassian products that are enlisted in and you're activated in your project. Out of these, we are currently using software, service management, and work management. We have not yet added Confluence and Atlas. So if we want to add them, we can click on them and it will open a Confluence page which we can click on try it now and add. But for this one, as we are starting with Jira Service Management, we will be here is we click on Jira Service Management and it will open this page. If you see on the left top panel, it will show your work. So it has a queue for all of the Jira tickets that are assigned to me, all of the recent tickets, if there are any boards, any queues, and then there is projects. So under this Atlassian website and Bias Education School, we can create projects that are meant to be used by different teams, sub teams, or a different function or a different role. And this is best suitable according to our preferences and the requirement of the business. Under projects, there are a lot of tickets. By tickets, I mean Jira issues that are created, and to fetch those issues, we use filters. Now, Atlassian has an inbuilt dashboard capability that helps us analyze the data that is coming from Jira tickets, and it will enable us for better reporting. So you can get all of these features in the dashboard tabs. We can create a dashboard and we can track the team's performance as of date and even check on historical data. Now there is another column that we see known as teams. We can create different teams in Atlassian. This is a latest update that is on the cloud version and also on the server and data center version. There are lots of applications that are available on Atlassian applications page. Some of them are free applications, some of them are paid applications, but one thing that I would recommend using are cloud fortified. By that, they are certified applications that are developed by certified developers, and they can be used without any hiccup. They are very much into data privacy, and those applications can be very much useful for your day-to-day usage. So we're going to see all of the applications that Atlassian has for us. We're going to see different use cases as we proceed forward with this case. So on the right hand panel, what we see is the notifications button. So all of the notifications that come up from Jira issues are going to come up here. And this is very much important from a use case or an administrator viewpoint where the help button can keep us updated with what has changed in Jira. If I click on this, it will provide us information about the latest updates that are happening in Atlassian. So if you see updates between 18th to 25th September, there are lots of changes which we can see here from Atlassian administration viewpoint or all of the updates that keep coming up, they are in this help center. Also, if you find out that there are any disturbances in your project, any bugs that you are currently facing, and you would like to escalate it to the Jira support team, you can contact support and create a ticket with them with your username, with your email ID, and define your issue to them, and they will get back to you with the most uh, important feedback and help you clear out your bug. The next thing that we see is a settings column. Now, this is where a lot of Jira administration work is done, as you are able to enter into settings of each and every project that is listed on your website. So our website is nyseducationschool.atlassian.net. So all of the projects that are listed in this will be visible to us in the settings. So the first one is user management. So user management is basically used when we want to provide security to any user, any access. Those accesses can be provided with the help of an email ID that is associated with Atlassian. It can be a Gmail ID that has an account. And so there, if we talk about providing security, we will have a next video that will be more defined into what all security roles Atlassian has for us and how we can divide our team into different roles and provide security. The next thing is system. Under system, we're able to see all of the general configuration in our Jira application. If there is anything that is creating hiccups, that is any bugs in our system, we will be able to see it under audit log. There are permissions which are globally created for all of the users on this website. It will be accessible from here. However, every Jira project will have their own permission scheme. So this is for the complete website, but we can have separate ones for all of the projects under our website. There are various automations which we can create in Jira. It can be as simple as soon as a ticket gets created, it will assign it to A person or B person, and it can also be as difficult as toggling different custom fields, utilizing if then else statement, or even creating issues when a ticket gets created in another project and vice versa. We can also change the look and feel of our Jira right now. So this is the logo that we see. It is here, our favicon. If we want to change the highlight color from blue to anything, we can also toggle our date and time format as per your convenience or your team's convenience. There are also changes which you can create to the announcement banner. So this will be shown to all of the customers, and they will be able to see all of the upcoming announcements. So for example, your team will be out after 25th December for the new year close. So you can give an announcement that we will not be available between this and this time, and we will be back at this time. Request you to start creating tickets with us once we're back. Another capability that users very much use, that is, as people start transitioning from different applications such as uh, Trello, Microsoft Excel, and they want to join Jira. So they have data in an Excel format and they want to add all of those historical data into Jira. We can do it using external system import functionality, and it will fetch all of the issues from that Excel into Jira. It will load all of the data. Now there are also capabilities that provides Jira to send emails to users and even receive emails and create Jira tickets. Those email functionalities we will be exploring further in the next video. And but the global settings that we do can be done from here. Now, Jira itself is a very much helpful tool. It is very much easy to understand, and it provides capabilities for us ourselves to debug issues. That is, oh, Megan came us to us, and she wanted to view a project, but she's not able to. So we can click on Permission Helper and try finding out what is the issue that is coming up with Megan. So probably she does not have permissions to view the project, or her account is not activated, or she does not have the appropriate user security. So this is how it will be quick for us to find out what is missing and what needs to be rectified. Similarly, there are lots of notifications that we as users would want customers to know. So if customer X created Jira with us and they want Y issue to be rectified, so we can notify the X user on all of the changes that have been done, and if the issue has been resolved. If the customer comes back to us saying that they are not able to get a notification or they're not being notified about all of the changes that are happening in the Jira issue, we can check what is wrong by clicking on the notification helper. Similarly, we will be able to find out per issue which notification event did not trigger, if it was during updation or when the ticket got resolved, when the issue got deleted or it got moved. All of these can help us with notifications. There are more features to it, lots of things and lots of things to explore. It is wider than ocean. The next thing that we go out from system is we'll be seeing products. This will enlist all of the Jira products that we have. It includes all of Jira software, Jira Service Management, whatever we have configured on our website. The next thing on the screen is projects. So here, once we go on ahead creating multiple projects, we can enter into every project setting to make all of the changes. Similarly, we can also create changes to all of the issues in Jira. By that, what I mean is there are lots of issue types that you see right now on the screen. You can configure and tailor it as per your requirement. There are lots of workflows that you can create for every issue type. If if you want a project to proceed as per a specific SDLC, we can create a workflow specific to that and add it to every issue type. I know it can be confusing at first, but we will explore more about these as we proceed forward. There are lots of screens that we have which we can use to add data to every ticket, lots of custom fields, any of which we can use, for example, actual end date, actual start date. So we can use this in our Jira tickets so that customers can actually feed in when they want the issue to start and agents can make changes to them. We can also track timings on every Jira ticket, how much time we would like to give on every issue, how much time are users working on Jira. That can be done using time tracking. And as I told you before, we have lots of priorities and permission schemas. These schemas can be defined per project and on a global configuration basis as well. The next thing on the board that we have is applications. So coming back to where we started, we can find new applications that are available on the Atlassian marketplace. Now, if you see, we're able to see all of the categories that can help us find which is the most appropriate application useful for us. And as I said, you will see a logo which says Cloud Fortified. So there will be reliability checks on those applications, and you will also get 24/7 response time over the support of that issue. Now, if you want to find out free applications, lots of free applications, you can add an event calendar, you can add a clockwork, you can also use Miro for Jira Cloud. It will be integrated to that. Once you install those applications, you will be able to find it under Manage Application section on the left, and it will show all of the applications that are already available in your Jira system. Now back to where we started. Let's go on view all projects. We have no projects, and we will be creating our next project with the next video that we have. As of now, I'll be signing off for today, but there is one update that I would like to share with you, and that would be that I'm doing a workshop which is one-on-one, and that will be beneficial for all of you to get more about Jira that is not available over here on YouTube, but you can get it during a one-on-one session with me. So there is the barcode. You can scan the barcode, fill the Google form. As soon as I get your interest, my team will be taking care of connecting with you and proceeding forward with this Jira workshop. I cannot guarantee you that I'll make you an expert, but I am sure that we will be able to do it together. So thank you and stay connected.